Hi guys, from Barbara and welcome to my ketogenic channel. Today's video is a collaboration and I'm super happy because I admire this person a lot. I'm talking about Giuseppe, the Italian keto guy. Look up here, you will find his story. I admire him because with the ketogenic lifestyle he has been able to overcome a lot of health problems. And I like all his recipes, so follow him because his channel is both in English and in Italian, so you can understand everything, and he really has some deliciousness. And today we are going to prepare a sweet cream made by Giuseppe. So let's go to the kitchen.
Even if the sky is falling down.
This is a very easy and delicious recipe, so we will need just a few ingredients. But look outside the window, the Swedish roof. After the recipe, I will show you what happens here in winter time.
Trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up.
But before the ingredients for this custard, you will need 3 eggs, 60 grams of unsalted butter, 20 grams of sweetener, I use erythritol, and 1 lemon zest.
Never figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling.
Let's start by melting our 60 grams of unsalted butter in a saucepan.
You can say I lost my mind. I will keep on holding my head.
Meanwhile, we can peel our lemon, cutting big pieces of the zest.
Even if the sky is falling down.
Try to do big pieces and not to cut a lot of the white part underneath, because the white part is a little bit bitter and because it will be easier to take out big pieces of zest. You will not lose them into the cream. I love the flavor of the lemon zest, and in next week's recipe I will show you what I'm going to prepare with the rest of the lemon. It will be a super easy recipe, maybe 2 recipes, and always ketogenic. Now it's time to open our 3 eggs. And yes, if you watch my video about egg fasting, and also if you watch the following video with 1 meal in egg fasting, you will understand easily that this dessert is perfect also during egg fast, because it has the butter, that is the fat, it has the eggs and the sweetener.
Really wanna know, really wanna know.
Talking about sweetener, it's time to add our powdered erythritol to the melted butter. It's also time to add our lemon zest that will make the cream really fresh and delicious.
Searching for my highs.
Whisping vigorously will help the erythritol to melt, so we will not find pieces of sweetener in the cream, and it will help also the lemon zest to release all its flavor. And now it's time for the most difficult part of the recipe. We should mix our eggs and add it to the melted butter, the sweetener and the lemon zest.
Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground.
This part is difficult because we should know the temperature of this mix before putting the egg. As you know, the eggs can be scrambled eggs, so we don't want that to happen. We want a cream.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my.
And we shouldn't go higher than 60 degrees Celsius. There are approximately 120 degrees Fahrenheit.
Even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down.
Not having a thermometer didn't help me, but whisping very fast is a good tip to avoid to create scrambled eggs instead of a cream.
Even if the skies
As you will see at the end, I scrambled it a little bit. Maybe you noticed that in the picture at the beginning too. I have to admit that Giuseppe did a better work. So maybe it's better to keep the fire a little bit lower and always to whisk very fast.
life is a winding road.
Anyway, the flavor was perfect and this cream, I can tell you, that is really delicious. But I love lemon and maybe you don't. So if you want an alternative, as Giuseppe told us, vanilla can be a really good alternative. Even easier to prepare because you can use the seeds or you can use the flavor and you will have another dessert always perfect on an egg fast.
From falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.
Now it's time to take out the lemon zest and this custard is ready to be eaten and it's delicious, as I told you.
Even if the sky is falling down.
But you can also use it as a topping on a cake or also a filling on a cake. So many uses for a super easy cream. Now I will show this cream better to you going to the window and I will show you also Stockholm's roof. You will understand why it's very useful if you live in Sweden during winter time to become a Spider-Man. I really hope you like today's super easy and delicious recipe and you will consider subscribing to my channel and to Giuseppe's channel. So we will meet here every Monday with a keto video in English at 2 o'clock Italian time, but also on Wednesday with the same video in Spanish and on Friday in Italian. Thank you all, see you next week.
If I will ever figure out where the road goes, even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down.